Moment of inertia and rigidity modulus by torsional pendulum. The operators required are metallic wire connected between two chuck nuts, a rectangular plate, circular disc, an irregular body, reference stick and stand. In this experiment, the moment of inertia about different axes for this rectangular plate is calculated by measuring the length and breadth of the rectangular plate. Similarly, moment of inertia of the circular plate also calculated, measuring its radius, and the time period of the rectangular plate under different axes will be calculated like this. First, suspend the rectangular plate in the given axis shown here, that is perpendicular to the plane, and now rotate the rectangular plate slowly such that now it starts oscillating, and this setup is called torsional pendulum setup. Choose any one point as a reference and keep the stand there and count the number of oscillations by starting the stop clock. So it means one oscillation means this end should go like this, two motion, and it has to return back. So such one counterclockwise and clockwise rotation is said to be one oscillation. Count exactly 10 such oscillations. Once the 10 oscillations are over, stop the stop clock and then note down the corresponding time. Like that, by changing the different axes, so different time periods under different configurations will be recorded and tabulated. When changing the configuration, so always remove the check nut, upper check nut, then remove the check nut, bottom check nut. It is just to prevent excess of twisting of the wire. So now go to different combination, different axis, and then suspend it again and repeat the experiment. So once the time for 10 oscillations is calculated for different axes, tabulate the readings here, find the mean time for 10 oscillations. From that, calculate the time period for one oscillation, then find the moment of inertia of the body under the given axis, and then finally calculate I by t square. So like this, we calculate for rectangular plate and then circular plate, and average I by t square will be calculated. For irregular body, only time period is calculated, and then T naught is calculated, and after that it is the value of I by t square. Using the value of I by t square, I naught is calculated using the formula, and rigidity modulus is calculated using the formula.